Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As I had promised on my previous vlog, today I want to share with you on how I achieved this high puff because many of you guys have been asking me about it. And I will use only two products, and that is leave-in conditioner plus a gel. If you might be interested in this vlog, please stay tuned as I share more. I'll start with well-cleaned hair, and I want us to go together step by step. Then, from here, I will separate my hair into manageable parts. I'll go ahead and spray in a little water with my spray bottle because I had washed my hair a half an hour ago and the towel seemed like it soaked a lot of water out. I'll do the same to this other part, just spraying in water and massaging in. I'll go ahead and take my conditioner, scoop a little amount and massage it in my hands. I'll go ahead and spread it on my hair, concentrating more to the tips of my hair, not the roots or the scalp, to avoid later build-ups on my scalp. I'll continue the same process with the other part of the hair and try to massage even more just to give conditioner time to be soaked in with my hair. Afterwards, I'll comb through with my big comb, kind of helping to detangle. And if there are any tangles, they'll all go out. As you can see, even if I have a big volume of hair, combing through goes easy because of the pre-poo which I did before washing, hence making all this manageable. Then I'll twist this part by part and give the leave-in conditioner time to be absorbed in with my hair while busy with the other parts. I'll do the other parts off camera and then I'll see you. Then I will pick my gel, and you can use any gel you have. I'm not busy to advertise any product. I'm just sharing with you what I use. So I'll start by unwrapping my hair one by one and separating them even further, holding one part up, making it easier, smaller size, to work through with my gel. I'll just scoop a little amount because you don't need a lot. Dab it and apply on my hair, and again concentrating only to the ends, going downwards on my head, but not touching my scalp to avoid later build-ups on my scalp. I'll comb through, and this time with a smaller comb to detangle even further. I'll separate this part into two and just do medium-sized little twists. Then I'll continue with the rest of the hair off camera. Here we are with the last part, which I'll take time to do it slowly so that you can see clearly how it is done. Then I'll take my little blow dry and just dry a little bit all the twisted hair around, because they are wet, and since it is time for me to go to bed, I don't want to feel wetness on my pillow. But if I was doing this during daytime, I could leave it to air dry the whole day. But since it is in the evening, I'll just try to make it to be a halfway dryer. See you the next day. 12 hours later, here we are. I'll grab my oil to oil my scalp, and if you can remember, I did not oil my scalp until now. Or in other words, I didn't apply anything at all to my scalp. And also, I don't know if you can see the differences of these twists, because they are now completely dry after 12 hours. I always try to make them overnight or on the weekends when I'm just indoors, just to give them longer time to dry, because the longer they are dry, the twist, the better the twist outs you will have for your puffs. I'll continue undoing my twist out carefully. This is how they have to look, dry and well defined. I'll grab my wide comb and comb only the roots of my hair to add volume to the twist outs. I'll continue combing while positioning my hair on the place I want my puff to be. And note, I am not combing out the whole hair. I'm just combing the roots of these twist outs. Then I'll brush through to make the hair around smooth. And I'll be using this brush. I'll grab now my mist bottle to spray a little water around because I don't need much, just for smoothing my ends. Reasons: I don't use any gel on my scalp or around my hairline. I apply only at the ends of my hair. This is my little simple mist bottle and I got it from Hema in Netherlands. Together with this brush, I use around the edges of my hair. I'll just continue brushing for a while to have that smooth look around my hair. Then I'll grab my tying cord and just follow what I am doing because I'm taking all my time to show it here. When done, I'll start now to make my twist outs to have more volume by undoing them even more, combing through, and just trying to style them to be how I want. This might take time to customize what you really want, but remember, the first days, the puffs don't really look perfect, but as time goes by, the older they are, the more fuller and more bigger and more cuter they'll be. Hope you found this vlog helpful, and thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, leave a comment below, and until next time, bye!